So good morning, students. Today I'm here to start with third chapter. Last two chapters we had done in a proper way, and I hope you all are doing well and your people are understanding all the chapters in a proper way. And if you have any doubt, you are posting the messages through Campus Care, but nowadays Campus Care message module is having some issue, because of which notifications are coming to me that you have this doubt, that doubt, but when I'm opening it, no information is available. That's why I'm not able to answer your queries for last 3 to 4 days. So don't worry, as soon as it becomes normal, I'll be answering all the queries. As I've already told you to install basic 256 in your system, so I hope most of you have done, but those who don't have laptop or those who are not able to install it, don't worry about that. There is no such big issue. You just follow the videos which I am going to post on that chapter, basic 256, and once the school gets reopened, or the videos which I'll be sharing here, with the help of that also you will understand it in a proper way, because I'll be showing you the screen where I'll be executing the programs and the outputs will be shown. So I think it will be a great help for you to understand. So I have brought a beautiful quotation for you all. Let me read it for you. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. So just follow it in your life also, and you will be succeeded. You will get success. Don't give up. Okay. So let's start. Now the chapter is chapter 3, and the title of the chapter is Basic 256 Loops and Arrays. Okay, I think we all had done Q basic in standard 6. So keeping that idea that you have the basic knowledge of what it is, basic is basically what about it is. So I'll be continuing with the further topics. But those who have forgotten, let me introduce it again. It's a programming language which is used for beginners basically. Basic stands for beginners, all-purpose, symbolic instruction code. So those who are new in programming, if they will go through basic code, it will be easier for them to learn new computer languages. So we are going to start with basic 256. Okay. Next, what it is, and about introduction, I have made one page. So here is another, this basic 256 is another version of Q basic only, and it is very much similar to Q basic which you had done in standard 6. Only the look of the screen is different, which I'll be sharing you in this presentation also. So this is the screen where on top, basically the screen is divided into 3 parts. The first part, that is left panel, this is the code editor, where you program editor, where you will be writing the program, and here it will be showing you the lines, which was not available in Q basic. And from here only you can run the program either by using this icon or by going to the this module of run menu, and output will be shown here only. Okay, if it is the text type of output, like addition of 2 numbers or anything where the output is in numbers or text, then it will be shown in this output area, which is known as text output. But if you're going to draw something, like you're going to draw a circle, rectangle, by writing the code in this program editor, then that time the output will be shown in graphics output area. So this is the text output area, and this is the graphics output area. So basically your basic 256 screen is divided into 3 parts. The first part is known as program editor, which is available or located on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side you have text output and graphics output. I think you all have understood. Text output will be showing you the text output, and graphics output, any type of graphical data will be shown in this area. Okay, now we are going to learn about the types of operators which we will be dealing with in basic 256. There are 3 types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, and comparison operators. One more is there, logical operators, which I'll be changing here. So basically these 2 are similar. Relational and comparison are similar, and one more type of operator is the logical operator. So relational operators are also known as comparison operators, and this is the topic which I am going to tackle with today, which I will be making you understand today. Okay, so in class 6 we had already learnt about arithmetic operators. If you remember, all the things: subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, finding out the modulus, all these things will be known as arithmetic. And for addition we were using plus, for subtraction minus, hyphen sign, for multiplication asterisk sign, for division forward slash, for finding the mod percentage sign. So these all signs are known as arithmetic operators. In this class we are going to learn about comparison operators. Let me explain it to you what it is. When you're going to compare two entities together and the output will be true or false, those operators are known as comparison operators. A very simple example I'm giving you. Suppose two girls are there and you want to know who is taller and who is shorter. So we will be comparing their heights. Either girl A will be taller or girl B. So answer will be, if I'm asking, is girl A taller than girl B? Answer will be true or false. So this type of comparison, wherever we are doing, we are using which type of operators? Comparison operators. You all have done it in mathematics also: greater than, lesser than, equals to, less than equals to, not equals to. So all these things where output will be in true or false. True's value is 1 and false value is 0 in computer terminology, as already told while doing number system chapter. Okay, so here this data type true false in basic 256, it is known as Boolean data type. There only two entities will be there for showing the data, true or false. Like I have two numbers 5 and 6. I am using 5 is greater than 6. What will be the output? False. So here which Boolean variable is used? False. Same way, 5 is less than 6. What will be the output? True. Okay, so basically in this chapter we will be using comparison operators. I have brought all the comparison operators along with the Boolean expression which we will be using in the programming language, means in this programming part. Let us assume we have two variables, x equals to 10 and y equals to 10 again. Okay, so here first comparison operator, lesser than, then second one is greater than, then third one is less than equals to, then greater than equals to. This is used for equals to, and this one is used for not equals to. Okay, not equals to, here suppose the value of y is 20. I have typed here 10, but it should be 20 here. Okay, x is less than y. X is less than y. If it is 20, then what will be the output? True. X is greater than y. No. What will be the output? False. X is less than equals to 10. True. So this way all these operators will be used for comparing the entities together. You have to learn all these. How many types of comparison operators? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is used for not equal to. This one is used for equals to. This one is greater than equals to. This is less than equals to. This one greater than, and this one lesser than. And in every comparison, output will always be true, false, true, false. Next is a simple program which you have already done in standard 6. I have taken two variables, a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Just see the line numbers which was missing in basic, Q basic. But in basic 256, it is readily available there. A equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a plus b, and then print c. After writing this in the program editor, I have run the program using this icon. Now a equals what I am printing here, print c. What will be the output? 30. So it is appearing here in the text output. This is the output of some other program which I had done. Okay. Next is for graphical output. This code you need not understand now. Just see, I have here. So we have another program for drawing the graphical output. I just want to show how graphical output will be shown in the graphic area. For drawing circle, here we have this code. just to make you understand, it is having three values. First one, x, y radius, x, y the coordinate from where you have to draw, and last one is the radius, length of radius. For drawing the circle, point we need the center point and the radius length. Same way, wherever three coordinates are required, three values are required along with this circle command, so we will be passing it like this. Okay, and for rectangle, four are required, starting value and then height and width. This is what. And for setting the color, we use the color code. Color syntax is there. This you need not learn. Suppose this is the program I have written, and when I will execute it, the graphical output will be shown in this graph. Here, no, if I would have written here print 145. So since 145 is a number type of output, it will go to text output area. But when the graphical output is getting displayed, it will go to graphics output area. Okay. Next is if statement. Basically, when comparison operators, which I was telling, the use basically will be along with if condition. Okay. Suppose I am giving you a program, find out whether A is, two numbers are there, A and B, which number is greater and which one is smaller. Okay, so in the beginning I want to know which one is greater. Okay, this is the question. So how to write if statement in the program editor? We'll write here if first. Okay, if and then the condition. We have two variables A and B, so, and I want to know if A is greater than B or not. So I'll be writing here A greater than B. Okay, let me show you with pencil icon. Okay, so in place of this condition, I'll be writing A is greater than B. So this will become the condition. What it is? Condition. So condition where I have written, it will be replaced by this one. A is greater than B. Now you tell me, if I'm taking A as 10 and B as 30. Now just compare, substitute the value. 10 is greater than 30. What will be the output? True or false? Obviously false. So if it is false, what do you want to do? Then you will be writing then. After that, any statement, like in place of this, I want to write that whenever this condition is false, when this condition is true, then you have to do something. But since the condition is false, nothing will be done. Okay, now give some other value here. Suppose A is 40 and B is 30. Now A is greater than B? Yes. Okay, now it will do the statement which I am writing here. I am writing here print A. Print A. Clear? So it will be executed like this. I can show you easily with the help of basic code. So should I show this program? Let me start it. So this way, suppose marks is less than 4, then print fail. This way it will be executed. Let me show you in QBasic only. Here, basic 256, it has come. Let it load first. It has come. I am taking A equals to 40, first line done. B equals to 30, and then I am writing if A is greater than B. So condition is replaced by this. What is the condition? Then what do you want to do? Print A, and then just go to that part under if and if. This way we have to close if. Okay, so inside if and if, what you are going to do, if this condition is true, then print A's value. Okay, substitute A and B. 40 is greater than B, true. Then what you are going to do? Print A's value. So in the output area, what will be printed? 40. Let's execute it here. Some error is there. If A is greater than B, here we need to debug it. So stop it from here. Character 6. Just see line number 3. character 6 is having some problem. If A is greater than B, here you put it in bracket and then C. Again, if A is greater than B, write then here. Now run. Okay, so then will be written in the same line, if condition then print A. So this way you can find out the error and you can execute the program. Now 40 is getting printed. Suppose I am changing the value of A by 10. Now condition is false. No output will be shown on the screen. Run. No output. Because we are handling here only the true part. False part we are not handling. That's why. I hope you have understood. For handling false part, I will be telling you else part in the next class. Otherwise, in the beginning only so many things together, it will create confusion for all of you. So for the time being, your homework is you will read the chapter up to if statement, so that when again I'll start this chapter in the next video, you will understand it in a proper way. And listen, I want full attendance, because one class only if you will miss, it will be difficult for you to understand. Especially the students who don't have this basic 256. Okay. Thank you.